Number 9. Water has not gotten that deep. This is about the extent of it. It's gotten up to the sidewalk. We'll go around the front. No indications of any water coming in here. It's dry as a bone. That's good. There's the line. No water. No water underfoot. That's the main thing. If there was water underfoot, I'd feel it. Let's go take a shortcut here. Okay, here we go. Heavy snow in the cedars. A little bit of an icicle here. I have to get to that later. Okay, around. Nice clearing, nice place to take a video. Yeah, we're still coming in. We're still gusting. See the gusting in the water there? Good. I'll settle down and get a good shot of that. The bay is ripping. It's full of. There's that poor sailboat there. That guy. I don't think his cover's going to cover him much longer. All right. Lots of snow in the back. Drifts. There's your wood tied up. But it looks very dry here. Let's go to number 11. Oh yeah, ponderosa pine got wet. Through the trees. Lots of snow drifts here. Now this canoe made it. Lots of snow drifts. Strange shapes. Cutting close to the building, I can get around. Okay, more lumber tied up. There's the line, there's the lumber. Oh yeah, now we're gonna get a shot of Raritan Bay. Actually, Sandy Hook Bay. All right, let's check it out. And again, no flooding, no water here in the path. It's dry. We're good. Okay. That's a blow. Here's the wood. Here's your Ernie's work. Looks good. Clean. No wood on the floor. No lumber down there. We're good. Okay. I think the wind's picking up. Alright. Phone doesn't have much power left. I have to walk home. I'm going to shut this down. That's where we're at here. JONAS 2016.